Hey guys, it's your girl Cheeties, and I'm here with a brand new YouTube channel, and it's called Glam Dolls Life, and it's exactly what the name is. It's just a channel where you can find tips, tricks, hauls, creative art, positivity, so, I mean, anything that you could think of that brings good vibes. That is what this channel is about, and I welcome you guys, and I hope you stay and subscribe. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or comments, please leave them down below. I would love to hear from you guys. I want to have an interactive channel where you guys can talk to each other as well. If there's, anything you like, or you have questions on that I have shown you, or anything that you'd want to know about me, please leave it down below. And this channel is, so this is your girl, Cheeties. And all I could say is go out there and live your best Glam Dolls life. Out.